So now we've created the farm and this pasture, and I'm gonna look at designing a new agroforestry system. In this case, a silvopasture system. So yeah, just gonna go back here again. So once you have the farm, down here to go to the specific field, and then the way that it works in the RegenWorks software is that you can create different scenarios. So for one field, you can try out different agroforestry system scenarios so that you can compare them and yeah, see which one you like. And yeah, like have an iterative process to design yeah, different types of layouts with different types of species, and then you can select the one that you like. In this case, I'm just going to create one new scenario. So I'm just going to do a Silvopasture with walnuts. So now I created the scenario. I'm going to click it. And here we are on the scenario page, and we can also up here, so this breadcrumbs. So we have the farm is here. So I have the farm and then the field. So in this case, I just have one field. And then you have the scenarios over here, and I just created this one. And it's highlighted here in blue. So that's the scenario I'm on. So it's also a way to navigate up here, so you can go back to specific areas or specific scenarios using this this bar up here. And yeah, in this specific case, so we're creating this scenario with some Silvopasture walnuts, and we're going to go to this system design, and I'm going to create the design. And now we haven't specified anything, so it's just blank. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a row of trees and an area with some grass. So two components here. So one is the tree row that I'm just gonna do 3 meters wide, and the grass I'm gonna do 7 meters, and then I'm gonna put in oval grass in both of them. Doesn't really matter at the moment for this design. And then in this row, I'm just gonna add a tree, and I'm gonna add the Persian, not very almost in it. And then down here, when you click this, all the things you design here or you change here is updated over here in the design view. So now we've made the specific tree row and this area between with some kind of yeah, in this case it's clover grass where the animals graze. And as you can see, the rows are not really aligned with the side of the field, and we want to try and do that. So that's what you can do down here. You can update the bearing, and I'm also just going to add some margin so we can get a little easier get around these trees out on the edge. Add a margin of 3 meters and a bearing of 282. I'm just going to do minus because it's going to go away. It's pretty almost done. I think it's. Yeah, so now we have the now we have the design aligned with the edge, and the tree rows start on here, and as you can see the canopy of the trees is gonna go a little over the edge. I'm just gonna push a little bit in. That's what you can do with this offset here. Now pushed in a little bit, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little more, make it a little wider. So now we have a really nice looking system in terms of dimensions. And then what we can do is also we can look at it in 3D. So let's get a sense of how the system is going to look once it's been implemented. Yeah, so that's it for how to design the systems with the RegenWorks software. And yeah, feel free to look at some of the other videos we've been uploading and make comments. Thank you.